Download the latest version of Investap from the App Store or Play Store. Enter your user ID, password and PAN to log into the app. On the dashboard, below the valuation, there would be two options: Top Up SIP and Start SIP. Click on Top Up SIP in order to check SIPs eligible for top up. Once you click on Top Up SIP, all the SIPs that are eligible for a top up will be shown in a list. Select the SIP in which you want to perform a top up and click on Set Up Top Up. A new window with the existing SIP details will open. Enter the new SIP amount. This will be applicable from the next eligible SIP installment. Below this, enter the top-up related details. The top-up will be done on the new SIP as per the frequency selected by you. By default, the percentage top-up option is selected. Select the top-up percentage, frequency and the end year of the top-up. Basis this, the app will calculate the end installment amount and also show it to you for convenience. You can also use the toggle option to set up an amount-based top-up as well. On the next screen, the eligible mandates would be shown. Select any mandate from the list. In case there is no existing mandate available, you will be prompted to create a new mandate automatically. Check the details on the confirmation page and click on Confirm and Pay. Enter the OTP to confirm. Top up completed. Check the details on the confirmation page.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.